Hey guys, it's Leah, and today I have a very exciting video. My iPhone just came in the mail and I do want to do a little unboxing video. I also did get 2 cases from Casely, so we're gonna put one of these on the phone. I am stuck with the XR and I've had this phone for about 2 years now, I want to say. I'm just over it. It has one camera, not the best picture quality. The color kind of not really a fan of it anymore, so I decided to upgrade, and my case is like really dingy and like disgusting. So I'm super excited to have the iPhone 12 Pro Silver in my hand. I did get it in 256 gigabytes. I'm very happy to upgrade. I take a lot of pictures. So for the box, all that's in there, of course, as you guys already know, the wire for the phone. You do not get a box with it. And you have this little pamphlet. That's all that's in the box, so I'm going to put that on the side. And then this is the phone. It's so white. I'm absolutely like in love. I'm so glad I got it. It looks very matte in person. This is the iPhone XR. Sorry, you can see my ring light versus this. So it is a little smaller than the iPhone XR, and it's about the same width. It looks a lot more aesthetically pleasing, and you can see like they move the Apple down. You don't see the iPhone, so I'm really a fan of that. Very minimalistic, which I'm a fan of. Alright, so Alright, so these are the 2 phone cases from Casely. I think I am leaning towards the gold speckle one. It kind of has like a thicker layer of protection, as you can kind of see on the side. They're both really cute, but I think for everyday use, I think I like the gold one more. I'm going to put it on the phone and show you guys what it looks like. If you would like 20% off of a phone case for your phone, you can use the code Casely liaa.garciaa. It'll be on the screen as well as down below. So if you guys want to get 20% off, they're very cute and very durable. It's very snug, feels very protected, but that's how the phone case looks. So cute. I'm actually like obsessed. Alright guys, that is all for my unboxing. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Also, be on the lookout for the code down below so you guys can get 20% off of your phone case.